Ever found yourself at the counter, ready to pay, and then a thought flashes through your mind, isn't there an easier way to pay and earn rewards at the same time? If you're a UOB customer, the answer is a resounding yes. The UOB TMRW app isn't just for managing your bank accounts, it's a powerful tool that integrates seamlessly with FavePay, letting you unlock cashback and discounts right from your phone. Gone are the days of fumbling for your wallet or separate loyalty cards. With UOB TMRW and FavePay, your payment and reward system are streamlined into one incredibly convenient experience. Whether you're grabbing coffee, enjoying a meal, or shopping for essentials, leveraging this integration can save you money and simplify your transactions. So, how exactly do you tap into this synergy and make a FavePay transaction using your UOB TMRW app? Let's walk through it step by step. It's surprisingly simple and will become second nature in no time. First things first, make sure you have the UOB TMRW app downloaded and are logged into your account. If you haven't set it up yet, take a moment to do so. It's a quick process that opens up a world of digital banking convenience. Now, imagine you're at a FavePay partner merchant. Look for the FavePay QR code displayed at the counter. This is your gateway to effortless payment and instant rewards. Step 1. Open your UOB TMRW app and select Scan to Pay. Once you're in the app, you will usually find the Scan to Pay or QR Pay option prominently displayed on the homepage. Tap on it to activate your camera for scanning. Step 2. Scan the FavePay QR code. Point your phone's camera at the FavePay QR code provided by the merchant. The app will automatically recognize it. Step 3. Enter your bill amount. After successfully scanning, the app will prompt you to enter the total bill amount as quoted by the merchant staff. Double-check this figure to ensure accuracy. Step 4. Select your preferred UOB card. The UOB TMRW app integrates with your linked UOB credit and debit cards. You'll be presented with an option to choose which UOB card you'd like to use for the transaction. For first-time FavePay users through the UOB TMRW app, you might need to select and confirm your preferred card. This is also where any eligible Fave partner cashback you've accumulated will be automatically applied to your bill, reducing the amount you need to pay. Step 5. Review and confirm payment. Before finalizing, the app will display a confirmation screen with all the transaction details, the merchant's name, the amount, and the chosen payment method. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Once you're sure it's correct, you'll typically slide a bar or tap a confirm button to authorize the payment. Step 6. Payment successful. And just like that, your FavePay transaction via UOB TMRW is complete. You'll see a successful banner or a confirmation screen on your phone, often displaying details of the cashback you've earned or applied. You can usually view a digital receipt within the app's transaction history. It's that simple. By integrating FavePay into the UOB TMRW app, UOB has made it incredibly easy to not only pay cashless but also to unlock a world of savings and rewards. You're leveraging technology to make your everyday spending smarter and more rewarding. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.